In the last episode, I explained how to download Ansys Student version. In this episode, I will show you how to install it. First, extract the downloaded file using any tool, like 7-zip or WinRAR. Open the file and double-click on Setup. A new window will pop up. Follow the procedure as shown in the video. Now the installation begins. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes and it will be installed. Click Exit and open Search bar. Type Workbench. Now click Open and wait for it to open. Once it's open, you can start using Ansys for your case study. If you are enjoying our series, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. We will come up with more tutorials. See you in the next one.